Holistic nutrition emphasizes the connection between physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, viewing the body as a whole system rather than focusing on individual parts. By considering all aspects of health, holistic nutrition aims to promote balance and overall wellness. Beginners learning about holistic nutrition will understand how food choices impact not only physical health but also mental and emotional well-being. It encourages a mindful approach to eating that goes beyond just calories and nutrients to nourish the body on a deeper level. Consuming whole, unprocessed foods is essential for obtaining a wide range of nutrients that are vital for supporting overall health and well-being. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help the body function optimally. By focusing on whole foods, beginners can ensure they are nourishing their bodies with the essential building blocks needed for energy, immunity, and various bodily functions. Mindful eating practices focus on being present and attentive while making food choices, eating meals, and recognizing sensations of hunger and fullness. By cultivating awareness of portion sizes and eating habits, individuals can develop a healthier relationship with food and prevent unconscious overeating. Mindful eating encourages listening to the body's signals and enjoying food without judgment or guilt, promoting overall well-being and satisfaction with meals. Balancing macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats is crucial for maintaining optimal energy levels, supporting muscle growth, and promoting overall well-being. Carbohydrates provide a primary source of energy, proteins are essential for muscle repair and growth, and fats play a role in hormone production and nutrient absorption. Understanding the functions of each macronutrient and how to incorporate them in appropriate proportions can help individuals achieve a well-rounded diet that caters to their physiological needs. Individualized nutrition emphasizes the significance of tailoring dietary choices to meet specific needs, preferences, and lifestyle factors. Holistic nutrition recognizes that each individual possesses a unique biochemistry and genetic makeup, requiring a personalized approach to optimize health outcomes. By considering factors such as food sensitivities, metabolic differences, and cultural backgrounds, personalized nutrition aims to address imbalances and promote well-being from a holistic standpoint, taking into account the interconnectedness of physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of health.